Hello everyone. So if you're getting this error in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you are missing one or more Call of Duty Black Ops 7 multiplayer DLC packs, please download and install. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that annoying missing DLC packs in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 error easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform. You're going to right click on your Call of Duty Black Ops 7. You're going to go into properties. You're going to go into DLC here. And here you should have Call of Duty Black Ops 7 DLC packs. So you're just gonna tick this checkbox right next to Call of Duty Black Ops 7 to make sure that it downloads. And after that, you're gonna right click on your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 again. You're gonna go into properties, go into install files, click verify integrity of games files. And once you do that, Steam will verify the integrity of Call of Duty Black Ops 7's games files. And after that, you can go ahead and play your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and you'll see that you will not get that missing DLC packs error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.